Hi everyone, welcome back to class. Roblox has started hiring the role software engineer for the graduates as well as the 2026 passed out students. Okay, and if you look at the detailed description, so the students who are in the final year of their BTech and who has completed their graduation under the stream computer science and a related technical field or an equivalent practical should be eligible to apply for it. And one needs to be familiar with software engineering concepts through school, internships, personal projects, or previous jobs. And one must be proficient in one or more programming languages such as Java, Python, Ruby, and so on. And one needs to be quickly adaptable to new challenges and developing proficiency in coding standards. Okay, and if you look at the responsibilities, so one must be design, code, and test innovative features, navigating the full development life cycle. That is from initial design to production. And one must be mentored by top engineers and actively engaged in architectural discussions and system design. Gain a deep understanding of their large scale distributed systems and contribute to their continuous evolution. Investigate and experiment with cutting edge technologies like machine learning frameworks and large language models and artificial intelligence to solve complex problems. Okay, and along with this, there are some other responsibilities that one needs to be performed. Okay, so this is all about today. So I will get you the link in the description box. So once you go through this particular link, you can easily able to apply. So this is all about today.